we are glad to invite Dr. R. Vasudevan, Professor and Dean ECA, Tyagarajar College of Engineering, Madurai, India.
I'm Dr. Vasudevan from Tyagarajar College of Engineering, the chemistry professor and a coordinator for ENVIS. And to introduce myself, I can only say a waste becomes useful because of another waste. I always say plastic is a waste, and people used to say it's a waste, but that has been made useful by me, by God's grace. And therefore, I always say a waste becomes useful because of another waste. And I hope that forms the best introduction about myself. Though I am working here as a professor and a dean at the College of Engineering, and I am 77 years old. And by God's grace, the management still keeping me in service, and I do my own work and research in this college. Thank you. Now coming to this small introduction, let me try to. The other form of my introduction, I can always put it this way. My guru is Srimati Andavan, and whose blessings we have done all this work, I'll say, and my college, Tyagarajar Engineering, whose encouragement puts me in the track, and my great students who are working with me, Dr. Sansekaran, Kanan, and Chandra from Chandar. All these people are doing great work with me to establish my work. And my principle is sincerity in the work with the faith in God takes you beyond limitation. And for all the small work which has done, the Mother India has recognized me and my work and given awards. And of course, I was awarded Padma Shri, and the first person to recognize my work was Abdul Kalam. In 2002, he saw my work and said, this is going to be a very important work. His words came true. And 2015, I got Tech Icon Award from the Prime Minister. And 2018, I got the Padma Shri Award. And of course, the mass media was very responsible for taking me to this level, because we have very many introduction by the mass media, and I was able to come to the people to know about all those things, etc. And today, my department has been recognized by Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climatic Change at the Center for Waste Plastic. Only one, the whole of India. There's a great recognition for all the work which they have done. Now, coming to myself, I always feel your ownership is very important. We need to have a change in attitude, because we have to re-educate it at every point and educate and realign the mind. For example, people say go green. I say don't say go green, come green. We want to have more green atmosphere. We don't want the green atmosphere to go. This is only because the concept of saying go green, I say it is not correct. I say it come green. And life is nothing but service and sacrifice. So that if that is the attitude, we can definitely do great things. And with respect to plastic, I always say not to ban but to plan. The nature gives what you need, not for the greed. This is the understanding man need to have. Therefore, I always say managemental technique is nothing but managemental technique is very important. Once you understand yourself, you can do great things. With respect to plastic, I always say plastic is God's gift. See, after the World War, there was a revolution in the industrial locality. Many industries are opened up. Many people migrate from village to to urban places, multi-story buildings constructed, and the need for natural materials, were wood, were iron and materials, glass, ceramics, everything going on, increasing like anything. When that increases takes place, automatically what will happen? That will result in deforestation, and almost the nature resource will be reduced. God felt it should be somehow to be avoided. So he gave a new product, material called plastic, which can substitute wood, which can substitute gas, which can substitute iron rod. Therefore, many materials can be substituted by one material called plastic, and therefore the God gives an appropriate time so that it safeguards not only the environment but also helps the individual very well. Therefore, we call it poor man's need, common man's friend, and inspiration technologies. If you visit any of the hut, the poor man, he is having only a plastic chair, plastic mat, plastic vessel like that. Therefore, it becomes a common man's friend and as well as a poor man's need. And today, we have the modern technology and all those things. We need many newer varieties, appliances, everything. Our industry is growing on the basis of the plastic materials only. Therefore, plastic is an important material. It is going to be the most important material also. Let us try to first understand about this also before we go into the details. And here, any material for that matter should be environment friendly, economically viable, socially useful. And if you look at the plastic, it is a very common, cheap material. It is economically viable and socially useful for all type of people. Therefore, how can you say plastic is unwanted material? It is not the material that is important. Actually, the human culture is more in question. And here, in addition to the nature of the material, you see here, the plastic is a cheaper material, energy-wise, cost-wise, utility-wise, and durability-wise. It never undergoes corrosion. Therefore, it's a wonderful material that person. And people used to say, plastic is not biodegradable. Why not? Why should it be biodegradable? But my question is, if you say biodegradable, why do you want to have biodegradable? There are many materials in the world which is not biodegradable, and yet these are very useful. For example, your stone, your gold, your diamond, platinum, they are not biodegradable, but they find a wonderful use. And they are the most important material in the construction of the material also. Whereas food, organic leaves, wood, certain materials, they are biodegradable, and it is a necessity. Therefore, God fixes time and date for everything. Man should understand and use it properly. Don't say plastic is not biodegradable. Let it not be. But it is very useful for so many purposes like road construction, plastone, roofing, corrosion, and structural material. One of the best structural materials we have developed now using plastic. Therefore, let us rub from the memory the concept of non-biodegradable to the plastic. It is the most useful plastic material that is being used here. And industry as only the contribution industry is to take cosmetic, drug, fertilizer, fuel, any industry you take, they can only contribute their waste to this cosmetic waste. I see any material cosmetic, for example, I never see these materials that ever improve the human being anyway, but they have been contributed more for the waste material, drugs, fertilizer. Only 10% fertilizer is used. The rest of the material is polluting the water and the land, and fuels, explosive, carbon dioxide. So all these industries just been developed now, which we can't avoid, but still they have so much of contribution for the waste management. Therefore, industrial, all the Panchabhutas has completely polluted now. Now, remember, this is a very important concept. Nature has given you, nature gives you always good water, good material for everything, or good food, but we only convert everything bad. And ultimately, what do we give? We give carbon dioxide, we give waste materials surrounding. So we need to remember about these things. And with respect to plastic, see here, many very useful materials I have mentioned here: carry bags, single-use plastic, bottles, multi-layer, nylon net, cigarette, so solid waste. All those things are very useful materials only, but this only carry bags is so much important. In fact, when I was laying a road in Chennai, one common man came to, sir, can we not use carry bag? Why? This is the most important. I carry my tiffin only in carry bag. Therefore, it is a very important poor man's friend in that respect. But it's not a problem. I can use it. I can use it for road. For any of these materials which have been listed here are most useful material. But remember, cigarette is the most important pollutant in the seawater. And the maximum pollutant is only cigarette butts. Do you mean to say the fishes are smoking? No, it's only human beings' contribution. The carelessness of the human being only contribute. We are always careless and careless about the environment. That creates all the problem here. See here, birds contribution, the chocolate contribution, carry bag, all these debris are only man-made debris only. Plastic never, they don't say anything about it. Plastic, if you store it properly, they give all the best for you. So common man is very happy about that. He's worried what you are going to do about this. And here, the wrong handling of the waste plastic results in pollution. It is my plastic and it is my problem. Hazardous, unhygienic, affect all those things only a wrong disposal of the human material by the human being. See here, the man travels in the car and throws it in the road and never bothers about how it is going to affect. So bad garbage culture. If you have double bin system, you avoid. That now, because of the bad culture, the municipal solid waste is contaminated and improper burning is taking place. That gives all the problems. Therefore, you have the marine debris, water canal clogging, municipal solid waste creating problems. All those things only showing the finger only to the man who is responsible for those things. If he rectifies his culture, if he knows how to segregate and use it properly, there is no problem at all. And see here, therefore, I always say, industry produces and market it, but forget it. They, for example, toothpaste, they produce, and what about the toothpaste, the tube? It is spraying on the way. Toothbrush, for example, the toothpaste, once in 3 months you are disposing it. How much of plastic is waste is being contaminated? But can you not get back the toothbrush and recycle it and use it? There are many methods we have developed now to safeguard this. And domestic people will consume plastic and after that you throw it indiscriminately. Again, they forget it. And the government collects it, dumps it, forget it. If this is the case, what will happen? The environment will be only polluted with the only waste material. It is the human, of the 84 lakhs living beings in the world, only one is a human being. He is the man who is creating all the problems. And the problem is not only for him, but all the 84 lakhs living beings are getting problem over because of that. So there's a beautiful atmosphere now developed now here, Mumbai, where Swachh Bharat is not a solution, it's a mantra. And I say innovation, I don't say innovation. Indian way of doing the innovation is very important, innovation. So that is, so Make in India is important. So institute is important, the industry is important, society, everybody has got to contribute, the institute, industry, society, on the Swachh Bharat. And it will be, after all, to be environment friendly, economically viable, and socially useful. That's the mantra again. And we, the institute, can definitely contribute for the industry, for the research, or the production, and usefulness to society, and help the government to give a better atmosphere for us. Therefore, this is very important. The Swachh Bharat, as it is Make in India, make use it and find out appropriate technology for the betterment of the people. So what we need is eco-friendly and biomimicry. We did not want anything new. World has given all the knowledge. The nature gives all the knowledge. So do try to do biomimicry, you don't have any problem. So the new technology developed by us, by the waste plastic, it is environmentally no toxic, and we have developed plastic road and plastone. And India, we have got 46 lakh kilometers of road. The amount of plastic required not less than 100 lakh tons, whereas we have got only 10 lakh tons. All the plastic available can be used for effectively you get a plastic road, which is whose life is 15 years, not less than 50 years. Therefore, why do you want to ban it? Use it for better purposes. So here is the technology, our technology been adopted in India. Now it is more than 1.5 lakh kilometers been read. Other countries like Bhutan, Malaysia is also doing it. All our corporations, 11 states are already implementing this technology. So see, some of the products you have developed here, see here, your road and this is a Plastone toilet, and about just 12,000 rupees it's cost, and you have developed polymer modified bitumen, which can be used at 0 degree, no problem with even the temperature must become low. All this is therefore the plastic tar road is a new pathway. Use of waste plastic, better road, pathway blocks, toilets, saving bitumen. Cost of the road actually reduced because we save 10% of the bitumen, and the solid waste otherwise can be now once separate from the plastic, it can be converted into manure, and it gives job for certain group, and 15 years no maintenance charge for the road. And normally India spends 3,000 crores for every year for maintenance. Whereas here now plastic road needs no maintenance, no pothole. Therefore, more than that, even the old road, the scrap, the top layer can be scrapped and can be mixed with the plastic coated material and can be relayed. This will give you less cost, 50% less in cost, and also better road. So here, the plastic waste properties, we know, you may be knowing about the cups, carry bags, parcel, milk, whatever material you use, they're all made up of either polyethylene, polypropylene, or polystyrene. We don't use polyvinyl chloride, we just got a chlorine. The chlorine, if it is present, it may cause some toxic gas. We use for the road only polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene. This contributes 55% of the packing materials. Therefore, all the packing materials can be very well be used. And what we do is just heat it and soften it using it. See, this is a very important material, multi-layer films. Plastic packing nowadays, starting from kurkure, chocolate, so many things. There are multi-layers. Inner core aluminum, outer core polyester, in between polyethylene, polypropylene. They cannot be recycled. They can be reused. We can very well use it for road making, and the road made out of these things, but stays long, much better than other roads. So see here, this simple technology. You have a polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene. They soften at 140 degree and around 140 degree. But at that time, no gas is produced. Only when you heat it more than 280 degree, they undergo decomposition. My working temperature is only 170. Therefore, there is no problem of producing any waste gas, any toxic gas in the process. And here, see the important aspect of this, the aggregate stone is taken and it is heated at 170 degree, add the waste plastic and mix it, compact it, you get a beautiful block. The block is called a plastone, and the block has got 3,300 tons load withstanding power, and at the same time the flexible strength around 300. Therefore, a very important material. This showing that plastic has got a beautiful binding property. What we say plastic is a waste material. It's not a waste material. It is a one which is a wonderful binding property. This binding property can be used for developing very many products that you are going to see subsequently. Now here, see here the stone for laying the road. Next is it is plastic coated, and plastic coated has got a what happens is when you heat the stone at 170 degree and add the shredded plastic, the plastic films whose thickness is not more than 80 micron, you shed it into small pieces 2 mm to 4 mm, and to the hot stone you add the shredded plastic, it gets coated and oily coating takes place. That is what you see here. That once it's coated, add bitumen, it binds very well with the stone and gives a better road. And in the process of coating, there is an improvement in the structure of the material also. Nil soundness, nil moisture absorption, 0 watt, improved crushing value, and improved abrasion value. Therefore, it improves the stone characteristic also in the process. And the improved characteristics being listed here by means of values, and here the whole process. The aggregate stone is taken, heated to 170 degree to the hard aggregate. The shredded plastic waste, that is 2 mm to 4 mm, but the maximum thickness of 80 micron. All those material just added quantitatively, it gets coated over that. Now add the bitumen at 160 degree. Now from the mixture, this takes just about 30 seconds to get mixed. and immediately the mixture can be laid and you can blow the road at 120 degree. Just 30 seconds extra, 1% extra to add, you get a road. The road's life is 15 years, no particle formation, and the strength is almost double. Your Marshall stability value expected is only 1,000, whereas this plastic coated Marshall stability value is 2,500. Therefore, the structure is so strong, it withstands heavy load, traffic, heavy load, volume, traffic also can withstand by this process. And here it gives an idea about different types of plastic and why there is no, say I get the mass stability value here, and the removal of the bitumen becomes difficult, showing that the binding property is very good. And this is a process where plastic is shedded and then added or a hot stone, and just quantity amount of plastic is added, then bitumen added. The mixture is laid in the road. On the road, this is a mechanism how to happen. The plastic acts a binder between the stone and the bitumen, and hold this plastic is also polymer. Therefore, it holds very well, very strong, and so the roads are very good. Strength is doubled up, almost 10% increase. No pothole with the heavy load, decreased bitumen consumption. Construction cost reduced, value addition to waste plastic place. Mill maintenance, I put 7 years, now it is 15 years. No effect of radiation, life of the road, doubled carbon. Otherwise, if you burn the plastic, you have a carbon dioxide produced. Here we don't produce, we save that one. Therefore, the multi-layer film is used, no new machine required, no industry involvement, no granulation, in situ process, eco-friendly process. Only stone is coated, bitumen we don't modify. Scrap can be used, value addition waste plastic. Today, 1 kilo of plastic, shredded plastic costs about 30 rupees at Madurai. No need to landfilling and no toxic as evolution, no burning, no landfilling. So carbon dioxide emission prevented. That therefore, this is on one side road is improved, other side the plastic is effectively used, and therefore it saves. And on one side we are able to take care of the plastic, environment friendly. We make another side, we get a better road for the modern technology development. We need a better road also. So you get on one side better road, other side use of waste plastic, and that's the best aspect of this whole technology. So no need for segregation. All types of plastic can be used, monolayer, multi-layer, everything. One needs to be dried and cleaned. That's necessary. You can use a central mixing plant or mini hot mix plant. And here, the performance and cost factor has been very well analyzed, studied well, and it has been used from the, from the central of the, we have coding, the IRC coding has been obtained in 2013 about our process and the cost-wise reduction, how to, about, we are using, for example, 1 kilometer road if you want to lay, you normally use 10 ton of bitumen. Now use only 9 ton of bitumen or 1 ton of plastic. So 1 ton of plastic is about 10 lakhs carry bag, cost about 10,000 rupees. 1 ton of bitumen we are saving, cost about 60,000 rupees. Therefore, we are saving money, and not only that, the maintenance cost is also less, is not there absolutely. And see the plastic road and the other road. This was in 2004. The road, even today, you can come and see the road 2020, 21. The road is almost the same structure, highly polished, whereas that road, even after six months, has given way. That's the specialty of a plastic road. And consumption of plastic, see here, India has got approximately 46 class kilometer road. And we need not less than 100 lakhs tons of plastic. India has got only less than 10 lakh. Therefore, all the plastic can be used in the process. There was no problem with respect to use of waste plastic. So, for the world over, 650 lakhs kilometers of road. So, remember how much of plastic is required. Therefore, don't say no to plastic. Say yes to plastic and use it for a better road. See, this is a patent which I received in 2006 for the road. Recently, I got another patent for Plastone, and this is a coding which has been done by the IRC, and this is a letter. See, I met our Prime Minister in 2015, and I told him this is a wonderful method. He said, Vasudevan, we are implementing it. I met him on October 2nd. November 9th, he said that the communication has been released. So that is how the government is very positive in this respect. Many other countries are also interacting with us. Indonesia, Nairobi, Dubai, USA. People are very much interested. But actually, he was offered $300 million by USA to transfer the technology to them. I said, no, I am giving to my country freely. That's how it has been taking place now. And recently, in the last year, Republic Day, Prime Minister said the national highways will be converted into plastic road. And our finance minister said, and the rural road will be converted into plastic road. She allotted 80,000 crores for that. And our minister for road said 1 week, 1 lakh kilometer per day. So it's a positive aspect of the government. Let us try to understand and try to join in the movement also. So this is another product which is developed called Plastore, which is made up of plastic and stone or nothing else. Block for that. No sand, no water, no bitumen, no cement, whatever. This Plastore can be used as a tile, as a tabletop, as a we have developed a hollow block. We have developed very many other products also on the basis of this one. See, it can be converted. My intention is different. It can be converted to any type of product. But remember that it consumes not less than 20 to 30% by weight plastic and consumes enormous amount of plastic. So the load bearing cart is good. It can be used very well for very many construction because you are most of the architecture people can understand about usefulness of this material. Effectively, this is done. And this is the second pattern is what they got for this Plastore. And this can be used here as a pathway block, as a paver block, as a water canal landing, compound walls, waterfall lawns, bricks, as well as hollow bricks you have developed, and then raised sleepers, portable speed breakers. We can fix the material for speed breaker. Whenever minister come, we can remove it also. Surface modified, decorated block, tabletops, like that. And we have now gone into small, low-cost houses and toilet as per the requirement of general government. We have also developed that. And in the process, we use many ways, industrial ways like limestone, red oxide, lime powder, rubber powder, fly ash, e-waste, like that. Very many industrial ways are also being used in the Plastore block, and you are able to get better and better products in this direction. This is what you see is a low-cost toilet which has been done on the Plastore blocks only. It costs about just 12,000 rupees. We can construct it in just in 2 hours. You can construct it, and it's a portable material. If you want, you can dismantle and take it also very cheap. India is constructing 2 crores of a toilet, and that means I need 1 crore ton of plastic, and India has got only 10 lakhs ton. Remember that. Road alone requires more than 100 lakhs. Toilet requires another 200 lakhs ton. Where is plastic? So let us try to use plastic, develop more, produce more plastic, and convert ourselves better materials, better road, better toilet, so on. See here, by using that material for toilet, we are consuming so much of plastic. Therefore, the best thing is not to ban, but to plan. And see, plastic road, your material, it's the plastic tar road is next door. Remember that, solid waste management. And the plastic socially important friend and growth of industry is our obligation. So because of the plastic, more than 1 lakh people are working in the different part of the field, and therefore very important. And it's eco-friendly, and you get a better road, and scientifically successful, and it's made in India, environment friendly. Therefore, why not we go for the plastic tar road? We solve the practical problem of plastic waste. And here, this is the same plastic is being used for tar road, Plastore, polymer modified bitumen, corrosion resistant rod. We have developed a corrosion resistant rod which can be used for concrete, which will not undergo corrosion. Cold mix for road, which is at 0 degree, we can lay the load, and roofing, whose life increased by 3 years. So all are made of the plastic. The only property of the plastic is a binding property. Therefore, what is lacking? Because plastic is useful before, poor man's friend, common man's need. And now all the plastic can be used for road construction. So what is the problem is garbage culture. Therefore, say no to plastic pollution, say yes to plastic. And see here, the plastic has developed into very many products. We are converting into fuel, we are converting into Plastore, converting to road. So many things are there. So plastic is not a pollution material, it is a structural material. Because, for example, the scrap I told you, we save 50% of the bitumen is saved, aggregate we save, cost-wise we save, and therefore the wonderful material in the process. And the polymer modified bitumen we have developed two types. One is a zero cold process, one is other one is cold region process. So like that, it is another material, another everything because of using only the waste plastic. And today, remember that COVID has come. The COVID has only given a renewed life to plastic. Once you thought of banning plastic, now you see plastic cannot be banned. The people are wearing only plastic material, lockdown. See what happens now because of the COVID, what you observe is less air pollution, river is free from purity, less industrial pollution. And what has happened? The man has been set inside a home. He is under arrest. Why? Because he's the one who creates all the problem. That's why, see here, plastic, COVID, you wear PPC, you wear anything, everything made of plastic are there. About plastic is useful at every time, even before, even now it is useful. Try to understand, the problem is not the plastic, it is the human being who are giving the problem. Therefore, we need to understand the importance of plastic, and our culture has been modified. Our attitude to be changed. That's very important. So we use plastic for road, and then municipal solid waste conversion, organic matter is done, polymer modified bitumen is done, plastic don't block is available, clay is modified now, rubber tire can be used for very many purposes, and e-waste is being used, and PVC we are trying to convert it into semiconductor, cotton waste we are trying to convert use for biodegradable polymer, and therefore there are many new works being going on, and new suggestions being done. We want to use non-toxic plasticizer. The plasticizer is very important. We try to develop a plasticizer which is non-toxic. And inbuilt decomposer also, we are working at it. We are partly successful about that also, and which can undergo easy biodecomposition. Microbes we are trying to develop for that. And sometimes we have multi-layer. Why not? Why should you have multi-layer? Let us have multi-packet material that solves many of the problems in the process. And biodegradability is also, this is a future work which are planning, which are going on at my laboratory. All these work is going in my laboratory, this process. And so this is what I already told about roofing material, roofing and polymer modified bitumen and feed breakers. And see here, one simple property, plastic as a binder. And that has given so many things. And on one side, road for cold region, road for rainy places, road for forest region, road for cold countries, road for using scrap, road for runaway. All those things are very important, implemented. And a plastone as a tile, as a tabletop, as a hollow block, as a sewer tank cover, as a railway sweeper, feed breaker, erosion. It's only a construction material, different modification. Here road, and then after all, the plastic stone is used for construction of low-cost toilet and solid waste and limestone, ceramic waste, cable, brakes lining, construction waste, or concrete waste can also be used in the solid waste, the plastone making. Therefore, there is no problem. All those things because of one simple property called binder. Plastic as a binder. Remembering this as a binder, we can definitely develop newer products. In addition to that, that simple property has given me Plastic Man of India, has given me a tech icon, has given me Padma Shri. This is a binder and the property which has made all the difference. Therefore, let us understand the plan. The domestic people should understand awareness and collection of waste plastic properly so that it can be effectively used. Industry has got a greater role. They have they come the responsibility of helping the public also. It never stops with producing the material. So they have to collect back, payback system they can use. Today we got CSR, EPR, the society, so the corporate society responsibility, extended process responsibility, all those things. Therefore, when they involve, and then they adapt, and automatically the problem of plastic can be solved. Therefore, this is an awareness creation important among the industry. Government is ready. Of course, the top people are ready, but the bureaucrats are still to understand because the mindset is very important. They must try to understand about it. And if we coordinate, definitely the plastic can be very well used for the betterment of the life. So what I do, I go to the school, talk to the student, and create awareness among them. Every student in the house, if he brings back the plastic and to the school or the college, it can be collected and used. So the collection becomes very easy. So only thing what we need is own your responsibility. Everyone has got a social responsibility. Life is sharing and caring. Health is wealth. Let us be smart person to create a smart India also. Preferring eco-friendly made important. Collection of packing made is important. Dispose his own waste scientifically is also important. Development and support waste management. So not only get that. Therefore, see here, the plastic today has created so much awareness about the COVID, and this gives a new knowledge about that. So let us understand about that and go back and think about it and fight against it. So it's only awareness that is important. So at the same time, today I'm a consultant for hundreds of companies, and so one plastic waste has given me so many things. And the other thing is the social recognition. An auto driver said, "Sir, he has written on the backside of the auto don't put the plastic on the road, use it for road." When an auto driver can able to understand that, why not we people? When a worker in Chennai is able to understand the importance of carry bag, why not people? And like that, when USA offered $300 million, we said no. That is what we say. We need to understand about our own country, try to improve it. So many students have joined me and they have developed newer products. In fact, some students have given me a new idea, and they wanted develop a powdery form of e-waste. Using that, we have developed new product. I got many products. So students are more intelligent. Let us try to create awareness. The subject is not to memorize, but to try to think and understand. The profession is different from passion. Everybody has got a passion. Let us understand passion and try to develop, use it for the betterment. So that is the recognition is important. See, so I had a great chance of meeting of Abdul Kalam. I visited to Indonesia. I was a visitor for state, all because of one simple thing: plastic waste. Remember that. Nothing. I don't claim anything. It's God's blessing and the waste plastic. That only made all the difference. And today I'm a consultant for so many companies. And my lab, when I started, it is only I didn't have any money to do that. Now my lab is equipped more than with 4 crores of material. So again, the waste plastic has done wonderful work. So think about that way. Feel proud that you are Indian. Think differently. Why not? Face the challenge. Get inspired by making India Swachh Bharat. Aspire to achieve greater height. Don't be job seeker, but job producer. So there is only, you must try to be Indian, buy Indian, and practice Sudesi. That is important. So that once you think that way, you can think about various problems which you face, and you can always talk about appropriate technology and try to develop. Each one has got an idea, small idea which God showed me. They have taken me to this level. Therefore, nobody is lacking in knowledge. Nobody is lacking in passion. Identification of passion and using the knowledge is more important. If you use, definitely, this will create more opportunity for the people to do work. For example, therefore, your best icon may try to show more awareness among the people, more show about the responsibility of the human. The more important is, today the man feels lesser responsibility. He is careless and careless. He is more spending it on WhatsApp and so many things. He has got more. Our forefathers have done great work. They have done many things, and they have given. If we look about the architecture of an Indian temple, we look about the Indian dam. So many things have been done. Why we are not able to do the same thing now? It's only application of the mind. We are more intelligent. We got more appliance now, but we don't apply. We don't involve ourselves. We go easy way. It's not like that. Everybody has got a role. Service and sacrifice the way it was. How to live in this world happily is serve to others, sacrifice something by yourself. So you can definitely do great things, and that is the best icon I will put in this way. Therefore, inspire, do something great. So here see the man writing ban plastic. The board is plastic, the stick is plastic, the paint is plastic, his dress is polyester, his system is a plastic stool, and everything is plastic. But at the same time, he writes ban plastic. This is how we are living. Reality, understand. That is awareness important. So once you do that, it is very important. God says in Krishna, Sakayagya Prajasushta Purovacha Prajapati Anena Prashavitam Yasho Ishtakamadu. Devan Bhave Devo Bhavendaha, Parasparam Bhavendaha Shekha Pravastaka. The world is beautiful. World is a commonenum. Try to be friendly to the world. The world will give whatever you want. So follow ethics. You will be very happy. That's why I appreciate the auto driver saying, don't throw plastic on road, but use it for laying the road. The great thing, very important. So today I've been helped by so many people, and whenever I give a talk, I try to acknowledge the various organizations that supported me in the process. Thank you very much. And Brahma created plastic. Shiva had to show me the decomposition, but Vishnu has shown me plastic can be used for better process. So we have developed, and that takes me to greater level. So this is how we can think about it. We can use anything like that. See, any small work, if it is socially relevant, useful, that is appreciated. I will always say, Padma Shri is not for me, it is for the work. Why the work? The work is only for socially relevant people. It is a socially relevant problem to be solved. Like that. Any person who attempts, it is not the position. I can even say, when a college lecturer is getting a Padma Shri, probably I may be the only person. So that is possible, it has been shown by the government. Therefore, let us try to join in the movement. Let us try to do something useful to the world. Let us try to feel happiness by doing good to the people. Thank you very much. I give my address also. I am available 24/7 for anything useful if you want to be discussed. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, Dr. R. Vasudevan, for sharing such an insightful presentation with our audience today. Now, we will move on to a short sponsor break.
This is Amit, and I am a proprietor of Metro Books, and our firm is a 12-year-old firm located in Delhi, and we have our head office in Delhi, and we have our two branch offices. One is in Pune and another one is in Chennai. So we are dealing in architecture and engineering books, and our core specialization is for engineering and architecture books. We have our specialization in architecture planning, interior design, animation, facility design planning, digital architecture, and construction project management, urban design, etc. So as you see, there are different books we have in our offices. So let me tell you, explain you the different books here. Like we have books for different publishers like Thames, Anderson, Lawrence King, etc., MIT Press. So you can see here in this rack that like all these books are very basic books, and most of the books are into various universities syllabus, and also there are some civil titles are also there, like the Sears one, like the Passive and Low Energy, and you can again see here some very basic books required for all universities. And you can see here the books in this rack is for Wiley, and this is a US based publisher, very renowned publisher, and publishing books on various subjects, and very famous books they have published. So that, and we are directly procuring from this publisher. And in this rack you can see the Routledge publisher. This publisher is from UK, and again a very renowned publisher in the field of engineering and architecture subject. So they also publish on all the subjects like planning, urban design, interior design, fashion, animation, photography, etc. Like again you can see some books published by Indian publishers in this rack, and these are the very basic books published by different publishers. So we are also doing publishing for architecture books, and we deal in architecture books, and you can see these are the books by Design Media, and again this is a very famous publisher for design books and architecture books. And like I have told you that we are into the publishing field also, and we have published few titles on architecture subject, and some more titles also we are going to publish in next year, and this year also we are going to publish few titles, and we are still working on those titles to get it published within this year. Like one is for planning, and other one is for architecture, and one is for history of architecture. So these are the fields which we are planning this year. And you can see here the books based on design. This is again a very famous publisher for design books, and name of the publisher is Sandpoint. So that's this publisher is from China, and again you can see some more books for Link publishers, and that is again also a US publisher. Again you can see some book published by Actor Publisher, and you can see some Archibald books are also there. That's again a very Korean publisher. Again some books are for links or different on housing, digital architecture, on housing, roofs, etc. And here you can see the books for European publishers. So all these books are for European publishers. So these are the books I have just shown you, and we are try to cover each and every subject relating to architecture, especially in publishing also. So that's all from my side. Thank you.